Begun here on PCTV, and there's Kelly. What's going on, my friend? Of course, Mouse and Mary. Mouse was honored tonight as one of our vets. Love you, brother.
Yeah, love you.
Love you, Mary. Take care. Take care. See ya.
Have a nice night.
Favorite people in the world right there. All right, here goes this amazing Clipper. This Packard is a one-of-a-kind here. You never see these. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. What an example. What an amazing car. Good night. Hooligans out. Here comes that Signet or the Valiant. Mad to the Bone Valiant. Hey, look at that. Good night. Like me. Wow, out late tonight. That was Pete. Hooligans. Take care, take care. Good night. Good night. Hooligans. Oh, daddy. Such a sick cat. That's over. Nice. All right, here comes that 65 convertible bird. Bird is a word. Take care. Take care. There goes Jerry. Hooligans. Steve, take care. Hooligans in the house. Good night, Sammy. Later, brother man. There goes John. Love you, brother. Take care. There goes that Pontiac.
PCTV, baby.
Yeah, brother.
Rest in peace, Dano. My man Dano recorded me first time in 2004.
Love
William
Dano.
Boulevard.
2004?
Old school, brother.
Wow.
All
Take
right,
care,
brother.
bro.
God bless you guys, man.
God bless. Love that guy. Good night. There's Patrick. You got me. You got up and running before I did. I'm working on the truck though. Looks great, Mike. Sounds great too. There's the flux capacitor. I remember those guys actually. Okay, DeLorean in the house, but here is the star of the show right here. Wow. Amazing. There goes that 38. There goes the Merc. There goes Sandra. Hey, Arthur's even got you got your lights in and everything. Nice. I never even saw you. You look great. See you, Russell. All right. Santa Claus got his hair shaved. We got Latin gems in the house. We got this beautiful 67 Camaro here. Gorgeous car. Get out of his way. Oh, there we go. Gotta get those turn signals. Look at his wheels are all lit. Look at this guy. Look who's tight. Working on my it's heading out. Take care, brother man.
Good night, boss.
These guys are a class act here. They have no idea how they're going to get TikTok. Nicest Series 1 on the road.
Take care, thank you. Hey, you got a truck to take these over?
The sweet line to get out. Hey, Steve, good night. Buddy Steve. Nice bug. Hey, Willie! Willie. See you tomorrow morning.
See you morning.
All right, take care. There goes Willie. There goes Al.
See you later.
Take care, brother.
I gotta go drop off Jim's TV.
Oh, Jim won the TV.
Yeah, I told him if I win it, I'll give it to you.
Rispman won it
Yeah. I said he came all the way here
to win the TV. Ha! Ha! That's awesome. Good night, Al. That's great. Good night. Here we go. Oh, look at this beauty right here. Gorgeous car. Good night. Thank you. Beautiful car. Chevy. I saw this one earlier. Black Gents. I believe it's a Style Master. Deluxe. Oh, I guess it's a Fleetline Deluxe. 4-door. Alright. Looking kind of done here at Current Grove tonight. That's about all she wrote. Alright, the last of the rollout continues. There goes the 58. And Paul, good night. Great car. And we have the 64 Chevelle. Or 65, I believe. Two great efforts by Chevy. This car was so disliked and now it's such a classic. It was almost their Edsel. Hard to believe. Alright, there's the green line. There goes that beautiful 65. Guys, that's it for Garden Grove.